What's up everybody, my name is Rachan and import the automation library by Atogui SPG and first I'm gonna put my cursor to this search bar. I'm gonna control enter to run the script and I have point the x-axis and y-axis, and first we're gonna calculate the start time. Start equal to time. Then we're gonna move to another window. We just need to click to this point actually, then click. We use PG as Python, so we're gonna use click function. In the click function there is X parameter and Y parameter. We use 898178, and we're gonna iterate every row or list of contact for E in font list. Then we're gonna click search bar, so we're gonna use this. Then we're gonna type name from the font list. We're gonna use type write function. I'm gonna use E from font list. Gonna hotkey to get a function from the keyboard. We're gonna use enter because we're gonna press enter after we type write the name, and press enter to go to the chat and paste the chat that already put in the clip. Copy paste and hotkey. We're gonna use hotkey also. Because I use Mac, I use Command and V. If you use Windows, you can use Control V. And then enter. Hotkey, you can press enter and then repeat it. I'm gonna calculate the end time. Time. Then I'm gonna print the span time and minus start. So I'm gonna delete this. We're gonna put some name because I want to do spam to all of my contact. I will do this for one person only, that I will know that he will not angry. I will try. It's like you do to 3 contact lists, and you're gonna control first. Maybe you're gonna control this, and you're gonna control this, and you can control this. Instead of 1 click, we can use 2 click. So it's like we're gonna control, okay, because I copy this text, then it will use the type. That's it. If you want to ask some question, you can go to the comment. Bye.